Welcome to today's body scan meditation. Please take a moment to find yourself in a comfortable position, whether that's lying down or seated on a cushion. It's completely up to you. And just checking in with your body and noticing if there's any areas of discomfort in your current position. And in an act of compassion for yourself, seeing if you can adjust your position to allow yourself to be a bit more comfortable. And offering yourself gratitude for noticing the discomfort and finding a way to be a bit more comfortable. And for today's body scan meditation, we'll be scanning the entire body from the tips of our toes to the tops of our head. And along the way, we'll be creating some tension in these areas and then releasing all that tension, allowing us to notice areas of tension and then showing ourselves our ability to release that tension. Begin by drawing attention to your feet. And on your next inhale, creating some tension within your feet. And as you exhale, releasing all that tension. And now drawing your attention to the lower half of your legs. And on your next inhale, bringing some tension to this part of your body. And as you exhale, releasing all the tension. Now drawing your attention to the upper half of your legs. And as you inhale, drawing some tension into this part of your body. And as you exhale, releasing all the tension. And just noticing the lower half of your body. And on your next inhale, bringing tension into the whole lower half of your body. And as you exhale, just allowing it to become completely relaxed. And now paying attention to your stomach and your lower back. And on your next inhale, creating some tension on your stomach and your lower back. And as you exhale, releasing this tension. And now bringing your focus to your chest and your upper back. And on your next inhale, creating some tension in this part of your body. And as you exhale, allowing this tension to release. And bringing your focus to your shoulders and your neck. And on your next inhale, creating some tension in this part. And as you exhale, releasing all the tension. Now drawing attention to your face and your ears and your whole head. And on your next inhale, bringing some tension to these areas. And as you exhale, allowing them to completely relax. And just drawing attention to the upper half of your body. And on your next inhale, creating some tension within the upper half of your body. And as you exhale, releasing all of this tension. And now just scanning your whole body from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. And as you inhale, create tension throughout your whole body. And as you exhale, allowing it to completely release. One more time, inhale in, create tension within your whole body. And as you exhale, allow it to just completely release of all the tension. And just taking a few breaths here as you indulge in this feeling of total relaxation. Offering yourself gratitude for completing today's body scan meditation. And offering yourself gratitude for noticing the tension and allowing yourself to release it. And thank you for participating in today's body scan meditation.